What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I was a little late to the party apparently, and they switched runways while I was on my way up here. So we're gonna catch the United Star Alliance taking off from this way and go to the other side of the airport and start catching the action from the other side. Alright, we have got United Star Alliance Boeing 737-824, 26 years old, going to Chicago. All right, we've got United 600 going to Houston 737 Max 8, 3 years old. I hope you guys can hear me because it is really windy out here. I'm going to try not to scream, but
I'll look and see if there's any chance for a shortcut, maybe direct to air. Approach Shell, 2974, fly heading is 2010.
Unit 797, contact to be Lima, Juliet 3, Juliet.
Somebody 360. Cleveland Tower, runway 6, left line, way to be a model control station.
all right, from 6 left, we've got SkyWest 3826 Delta connection, operated by, obviously, SkyWest Airlines.
Left heading 360, runway 6, left, clear for takeoff.
Mitsubishi CRJ 900LR, 6 years old. Stealing the spotlight in front of him is Frontier 3092, going to LaGuardia. 9-year-old Airbus A321-211.
So it's going to maintain a 4,000. Uh, 3092, runway 6 left, clear for takeoff. Frontier 3092. Delta 2164. Center 135.1. Skywest 3826, turn left 6270. Galaxy 5 Seneca. Sorry, Roger. Absolute Hotel Clean approach, altimeter 2975, expect runway 6, straight in. For one leg uniform, turn left, direct Foxtrot, Bravo Charlie. Approach, altimeter 2975, base head to Cleveland. Alpha, cross runway 6 right, kind of ground point 7. You're 3736, Cleveland Tower, runway 6 left, clear for takeoff. 3736.
Alright, we've got Frontier 3736 in the Klondike the Polar Bear livery, heading to Fort Lauderdale. New as of July 2024, so a little less than 1 year old.
135.1.
A321-271NX. Going to Fort Lauderdale. As warm as it is right now, I wish I'd rather be in Fort Lauderdale. With this wind, it's a little bit on the chilly side. But otherwise, it's like 60 degrees right now.
One to Midway, you looking for the one Midway?
Yeah, Midway is the one, please.
Question 508, cleared from Midway Airport via the Great Lakes for departure. Vehicle transmission, have file, climb via SID, squawk 5774.
And guys, what VFR that's most confused about, and which road did you use? Level 5774. That must be the SID for ship.
Question 508, read back is correct, there's a flow to Midway. Give me a call about 5 minutes prior to taxi, I'll listen on time for you.
Okay, will do. Thanks, Spaceship 08. American 3702, cross 6 right on Alpha. Judgment 5.
We have got United Express operated by Republic Airways.
5 miles northwestbound, altitude 2,800.
Flight 3493 going to Washington. 9-year-old E175LR.
3493. Skyway 3724, expect vectors for sequence, continue present heading to maintain 6,000 for now. That's 3724. Street 583, crossway 6 right on November, take the November Golf runway 6 left.
Cross 6 right on November, and November Golf 6 left.
We have American Eagle operated by PSA Airlines going to DCA. 20-year-old CRJ 701ER.
Right and turn to heading 140, and that's remains frequency. 3493,
Here 3493, come to maintain 14,000, turn right directed.
14,000 direct gift, Sprint Care 3493.
Give Sprint Care 3493. Here 3493, it's kids.
Okay, kids, Sprint Care 3493, thank you.
Skyway 3724 to set to maintain 3,000.
724. 87.
All right, we've got American Eagle, operated by Republic Airways, 4387. About to depart to JFK. Embraer E175LR, 10 years old.
7, runway 6 left. Cliff takeoff, maintain 5,000. Cliff takeoff, maintain 5,000, clear 437.
Today, November 8th, Delta visual runway 6 left.
37, 29, 24, choose to maintain 2,900 feet to your established, cleared out, 26 left approach. 29, 39 left, and we do have your point side. 29, 37, 24. Vision approach, 26 left, tower, 14.5. I stepped on this, stuttered to the Head after, 42. Alright, just confirm, 2,900, clear to the visual, runway 6 left, please. 37, 24, firm, sir. You are clear to visual approach, runway 6 left. Do not exceed 170 knots to the entrail. And towers was 4.5. Over to towers, hold 170. Have a nice day. Clear to visual 6 left, Scott 3724.
That's a connection, operated by SkyWest Airways. I'm sorry, SkyWest Airlines. Age 6 years old, Embraer E175LR.
By 45 power, 4.5. Increase speed by 10 knots, thank you. I'd like to switch frequencies, pick up ADA. This one off Tango, that's approved. Just return to me when you're done. Center something off Tango. I'd like to switch frequency to pick up ADA. One off Tango, retrofit 5 seconds. 5 back on frequency, one off Tango. 88. 310.